Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Umanamig hatod ni anak. So, karon mukaon ta. Mahaw ta ninyo. Kay na pa may sobra gabi ing gamay sudan og bahaw nga gamay. So, mao na ni ang akong pamahaw ron. Mao ni akong pamahaw. Bahaw. Bahaw og gamay sudan na habilin. Kay tulo pa unta ni kahiwa niya si Pangging pagmata niya ni kaon pud siyang pamahaw. Mao ni ang kaon bahaw og kuning sobra gabi akong gilatan na mga unta ninyo guys.
It happened in a parking lot off 7th Street, just north of downtown. Surveillance video shows Michael on the phone to the store.
Kasabaw.
The police SUV pulled up behind him. He says the officers told him to come here, and he did. Left from their house. So there was a theft situation going on. Right. But it wasn't involving you. No. A court record search shows Michael has a handful of misdemeanor cases in Arizona. 3 dismissed, 1 guilty judgment for criminal damage, and on this day, he had an outstanding warrant for a failure to appear. When Michael claims he didn't know he had a warrant, and police confirmed these officers didn't know about it either.
In my mind too, I feel like deep down, like, because I think to myself, like, I have that past, I don't deserve one. Like, you're being detained, and I said, but I'm on the phone. What did I do? I didn't do anything. Please explain to me. And they were like, why are you getting antsy? Why are you seem like you're nervous? And I said, I'm not.
Mao to guys kay mukhaon sa ako. Mao to. Thank you for watching.
I didn't do anything. Can you at least explain to me? I want to sit down. Let me sit down. Like,
Bye-bye.
I try to.
Tataod mo kanta daay ko. Kay na pay request wa ako nakanta gabi.
About 15 seconds
Kanta ko ron tataod mo. Ara to guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.